Hello and welcome back. It is time to prep for the week. This is going to be everything we are looking at, how we're going to trade it, how we're going to not trade it, and how we're going to take on the weeks. This will not take long and I will make it super simple, so I appreciate your time. If you need anything else, please let me know. Otherwise, we're going to get straight into the levels. So everything from last week deleted. We're going to start fresh, but I can kind of tell by looking at this, I think we're going to reuse a lot of last week's levels. To start off, beautiful weekly. I love to see it. We are getting near highs again, very close, but we broke out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9/10 week range, which is really nice to see. I'm not overly bullish about this. I do want to move up, but what I mean by that is I really want to move down first. I would like to see something in this structure tested. Next weekly, open up, get a lower wick, and test something in here before we actually get a move up. If we kind of just open up and rocket straight into new highs, I'm going to be like extra cautious on the week. I really like to see a move down before we get this move up. I'm not overly concerned about the daily. I'm not really going to use it to mark my levels out. We had this little range going on here. We squeezed the range, broke out of the range. It's kind of whatever. On the 4 hour, I can already see what I'm going to be looking at for a main lower level. It's not terribly close, but it's also not terribly far. I would like to see our weekly open up and move down and test it before we get this move up. That is this 22,047, 22,050 level. We have used it before with nothing but respect. We had a beautiful close above and then a nasty rejection, then a double 4 hour rejection. Rejections, and then a nasty bounce. We have the EMA under here too for the bounce, but a beautiful bounce on the same spot. So I'm going to be watching here, 22,047, 22,050. We do have that strong 22k psychological level underneath us, so if we do end up dipping down underneath this, I'll just wait and be cautious in between that 22k and this 22,050. But I want to see us move down. I'm going to consider that the weekly's opening. We need a lower retest. I'm going to watch us for a move down. I want to see something hold, and then I want to move up. So it's going to be a bounce of this 22,047. It's not terribly far away, and we do have strong zones underneath that as well. We are opening up to a half-day holiday, so we might be a little bit slow. If we can't get this Sunday open or our overnight move or our tomorrow morning Monday action to actually get down here and test this lower level, I don't think I'll really do much. I'll probably be extremely cautious. I really want to see that weekly get some sort of lower retest. It needs to be either down here or lower before I can actually consider like a strong move up through these highs. I think if we just open up and rocket straight into highs, it's going to be a little bit sketchy to trade, and I don't really want to trade that. Above us, we really don't have much. I think I would also be long above us, to be honest, but the way I would do it is I would take the only slight, I guess, level you could call it, not really a level, but like the only slight price action we have here, 22,293, so basically 22,300, and I just want to be long above it. We have at least this as a range, which is 100 points. I really wouldn't be too concerned. I'd probably try and trim it like 50, 60, but it's just a giant range here, and there's really nothing. It's all-time highs above it. So I'd take the only slight, I guess, level you could call it that we have here, and I'd want to be long above it. If we lose this zone, and then we lose stronger structure underneath, then I would start worrying about shorts. But until then, I want to see a move down, something hold, and then a move up for longs. 22,047, 22,293/300. I think I'm actually going to take a quick look at ES2. It's definitely not as clean, but there's a way higher chance for nice highs here. Nice structure right underneath us. That gap bottom. Action. Reject. Reject. Beautiful bounce again. It'd be a way closer hold for highs. 61.20. I would want to see this move down, hold. But we're so close to it that it would have to be like a super clean hold and a strong move up. I don't think I really want to trade this. We're squeezing the highs with the level so close underneath it. I don't think I'd really trust it. Yeah, definitely NQ. Move down to start the weekly off. Some sort of hold. 2250, 22k. Both of these fail, then I take 2 losses. All-time high trading. If we rocket into all-time highs, I will probably be very careful. I would take a super clean break and retest up above this. Longs above this level, and then if we lose this level, I'd just close it. Not really worth it. Higher time frame trend, lower time frame trend, 5-minute action on it. It's the way. And yeah, that's it. 2250, 22,293, 21,900, all pointing up, but I would like to see a move down first. Do not forget, it is a holiday tomorrow. We have a half day. It's going to be slow as hell. We have FOMC minutes on Wednesday, so I feel like our Monday, Tuesday traffic is going to be a little bit light waiting for Wednesday. And then we have like consumer sentiment, PMI, and stuff on Fridays. So start of the week might be slow, but I think Wednesday to Friday at least will be busy. So we will keep that in mind. I will still be awake and on tomorrow, but I don't know if I'll trade for the half day. Sometimes we're slow, but sometimes we move. Yeah. First start of the week prep done, and that is it. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it. Goodbye. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. And if you need any extra help, please reach out. Let me know. Send me a message. Leave a comment, and we will get it all fixed up. Thank you so much.